Oh! Bon time.
No, I got this. I got you. If you don't let it go, I'm gonna lick your hand. Go over there. Go away. See how slick that was? Just go away. Go over there.
I don't like what you're doing.
Do we have an idea that these gentlemen are not going to like today? This, I don't even know what you call this. Just check this out. Come on. And then look at this. Ready? Right here. It spins every way. Let's go show them.
All right, you guys ready for the first video?
I told you you'd love it. All right, here, go ahead, just ride it. It's just a regular skateboard.
It's just a regular, good old skateboard, Nigel. Oh, dude, you ruined the surprise. Woo! Where are you going? Where are you going?
He's going into the cold.
You see this? Okay, you remember the first phase of this, right? We done hacked it. We made this better than it was before.
That's what you want to say.
Oh! All right, enough with the little sad boy vibes.
Already.
Come on.
I hate it
Come
with
on.
a burning passion.
Oh, you almost got body.
Not even close.
Okay, prove it then. You won't. You won't land it.
Mo, does he not realize the greatness that we are? I have Mo here. I can literally do anything.
There's a shove. Wow. Legit ollie? Count it?
Yeah.
Does that count? That definitely counted. That was good. There you go. Come on. Use those hips. I know they're kind of dusty, but... Oh! Oh! Ah! Ah! Oh!
Mo, are you gonna ride this around the park? Because I certainly am not.
What? If I ride it down the bank, will you ride it down the bank?
No.
Why?
You see this?
Yeah, I see it.
You see this?
Yeah?
See how I'm swimming, but
Yeah.
I'm not in the water?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, that's a problem. I love the water, but I should be doing swimming techniques in water.
Oh! Nigel, you got this.
This is ridiculous.
You got this. Oh! Shove it, revert!
I don't even know what to tell you.
Where are you going?
This is called controlled falling.
Controlled falling?
Yeah.
I know what you can do. Do a 50-50 with control falling.
50-50, control falling.
You are absolutely out of your mind.
Mowgli, I think,
50-50, shove it.
Mo, you gotta go first. You gotta go first.
It is my idea.
You gotta go first.
All right.
Will it land?
what were you? Oh, push?
Gang. Oh!
Things are happening.
Things are happening.
Maybe I don't know what I'm getting myself into.
All right, let me get one trick real quick.
Yeah, go for it.
Let me get one trick. Glow, you know what I'm about to do, right? How are you riding it straight? How are you? Oh, back, front board. Oh, back lip. Watch out, there's a rail. There's a rail.
This is dangerous, Mo. You sure you want to try that?
You're railing in that thing, brother.
Dang, dude, look at your control. So last time we did this, it was just regular skate trucks. This is way more stable. So I think the amount of tricks you can do are like through the roof, like the Christmas tree. Oh, balance. Oh.
Hey, as long as you stay in that flat zone, you're good.
All right, ready?
Yep. Oh! It's doable.
That's why I don't think just do it. You just gotta run and put it and then do it.
What the heck did you just do?
You didn't see that?
Mowgli was telling me something. Oh, bro, you could go down to 5.
You are out of your damn mind, Gabe.
You gonna hit the drop in?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, go.
Oh! All right. Here's my thing, Mo. I think if you drop in and you stay perfectly leveled, the board will spin. If you drop in and you put every ounce of weight you have on the front of the board, then what will happen is the board will pinch the spinning mechanism and you will no longer be able to spin until you hit the flat ground.
Okay.
That's why Mowgli's pro.
How far do I roll till it counts?
I think to that second line right there.
That second line is
Yep,
counting?
yep.
Okay. I just rode a bull not that long ago. I feel like a cowboy.
Oh my God! How did you do that?
All I know is I don't even think JD did that.
I told you I rode a mechanical bull. The
What do you-
mechanical bull! You know if you
Well,
know.
you said you weren't thinking about anything.
Because the mechanical bull came in last second.
Hey, just put the ball down. Put the ball down after that one. Well, Mo, I literally think you could do anything on this now after seeing that. Check this out, check this out, check this out. Ready?
Yeah.
Rock to fakie.
Nope. How about you? Rock to fakie.
I got a trick on this already.
What'd you get
You
on
wanna
this
hear
one?
it?
What'd you get?
I rolled down sideways the bank.
This one right here.
Yeah, I'll do it right now.
Yep, I want to see it.
All right, so if I do this, you'll rock the fakie?
No,
What's the point of doing it then?
because I want to see you do something.
All right, Mo, can you give me a push?
Tell me to get out of the way when you want me out.
Okay, yep. We all need one of those.
I'm trying to kickflip this dizang.
He's like board sliding without board sliding.
So if I could do this, I could board side a down rail.
Yes.
That was just as fun as the first time I did it.
Come on, that was sick.
That was really good.
Bruh, remember that giant skateboard with the super wide trucks you kick flipped?
Yeah.
This is easier than that. Oh. Oh, what in the?
All right, do you think that kickflip is possible on this skateboard? Leave it in the comments below.
If I land this, this will be the gnarliest kickflip, one of the gnarliest kickflips in Braille history.
Oh!
What the? Was that a kickflip?
It's like the board does, I don't even know what it is. But whatever it is, I think just land on it.
I don't know if I could land on it.
I tried to land on it.
What's happening is it's doing like a half flip, and then the bottom part is doing a shove it.
So it's a varial. I don't know why I even tried this.
I mean, you got really close the first few times.
The train just felt like a moonwalking Calabasas.
Not possible.
Whoever wins this golden ticket, I'm saving this board for you. And if you think you could kickflip it, you'll be here when you win that golden ticket. So go buy that golden ticket.
Nigel, rock the fakie time.
Who told you I was doing rock to
You
fakie?
said.
I did not once say that I was rock to faking that.
So you just capped me.
I didn't cap you. Where in there did I say I was gonna rock to fakie? Who's editing this? Rewind it back and word for word what I said. If I said I'm gonna rock to fakie, I might look stupid as hell right now.
Ready?
Yeah.
Rock to fakie.
Nope.
And you say, and I quote, I'm going to rock to fakie, cap.
No, I can't say that.
Why?
Because then you could just plug that.
I'm not
in the
editing
D4.
this.
Yeah, well, they could.
No, they're not going to do that.
Yeah, no, mm-mm.
All right, here we go. Here we go, here we go. See?
No, absolutely
See?
not.
See? That was,
Absolutely
what do you
not.
mean? You went up perfect and went down fakie.
Absolutely
It
not.
was perfect. It was perfect. Help this man rock the fakie. Remember, the rolling trucks might hook up a little bit, but they'll roll down. Oh! That's it. Let's give this man some A1 speed.
Oh my God. turning right when I got
Well, you were going at it at like a 45-degree angle.
I can't. It turns.
You got this, Nigel. All I hear is excuses, and all I know is that I am your friend and I believe in you.
What was coming out after every single trick?
Excuses, and you know what you said to me? You said, do it. Do it. And
This is way different than just skateboarding.
Ooh. That looked like it was working mighty fine,
If I
brother.
land this right here, I get to cut some of your hair.
Why?
Because maybe I want some of the front strands. Put in a locket around my neck and carry it everywhere.
God, no. I can't not have my hair worn by a capper. What did I say? What did I say? Come on!
Don't ever put me in harm's
Why do
way
you
again.
never have faith in me?
Don't ever put me in harm's way again.
Okay, you know, as long as you guys have been skating in these videos, I've been filming them and seeing what happens.
Don't put me in harm's way again.
You were not even in any harm. That was the safest trick
I
you've
was
done.
in harm's way, okay?
Oh my.
My life flasheth before my eyeseth. What are you trying to do?
There you go.
This is the lock I
That
get
is
to
the
keep.
one single lock I have given you.
I'm gonna lose this spirit.
Ooh.
That's heavy. That's all it is. It's heavy. Bro, it looks like a knife just...
Yeah, see, it's a half kickflip, and then the under part does a varial. What? No! 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 No!
End the video right now, John.
What
Just happened.
just happened?
I don't even know, bro.
Mo,
Bro.
you just did the best trick in Braille history, bro. You just did the best trick in Braille history.
I don't understand. I don't.
How did you do that? What in the Braille House ghost? Paranormal activity, fourth kind of crazy. What is going on?
That's a sign. That is a sign.
That is a sign.
If there is ever a sign,
that-
bro, that is it right there.
You know what this sign is? A sign that Mowgli should send it down the 3-stair.
I don't know, I tried to varial because it wants to varial.
I don't know about that, Mo. That looks crazy. You know what I think might help is if you move your front foot down a little bit.
I think that was almost it.
You're there. Bro, you were actually there. That would be the shinner of all shinners, bro.
What about heel flip? We always think about heel flip. How does heel flip look? I'm better at switch heel, so let's go switch.
No!
That's twice in a row. Get away from me. Get away
If
from
it
me.
happens 3 times, you might actually just die.
First we got division, now we got multiplication-ish. I'm scared for you.
All right, third time's a charm.
You know what happens if he does it a 3rd time, Nigel?
Bro, come on.
Glow's moonwalking in Calabasas right now.
I think maybe you could land that if you try scooping, like popping and scooping a little harder.
Okay.
And worry less about the flick. Oh!
I think we just got to do the
I
3.
think you might, yeah.
I really feel so disappointed because, like, one hand, I think that's not as impressive as this. But we are missing the 2 guys that can definitely do this.
Yes.
One's in San Diego and one's back in LA. You know who we're talking about.
Oh!
It was showing me the way. It went like an airplane because it wanted me to do that. We found out.
Hey, you remember that one video on the airplane when there's turbulence and that guy's like, hey, put this thing on the ground. This is what he meant. You're trash. Oh! Right here, Mo. 3-stair, 5-stair, 3 blocks. Oh! No!
Gabe gave it.
5-stair now.
Oh! 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 Are we in Calabasas? You 100% got this. I believe in you, Nigel believes, and the people believe. Oh my God!
And in spectacular fashion, Mowgli shows us why he is number one!
That was insane.
That was for y'all.
You're amazing.
That was for every one of
You're
you.
amazing.
You
Wow.
can do it.
I'm gonna start giving you inspirational speeches for every trick now.
Inspirational speeches every day.
Can you
Every
give me an
day.
inspirational speech right now, Nigel?
Right now, yeah. So, whatever you do in life, whatever you're going through, just know that you got it. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna be there for you. Not physically, but I'm gonna be there for you. Check out these videos to my left too, son. You might like one or two of them. I don't know yet. It might be something that inspires something in your life, you know what I'm saying? So check them out. Like, subscribe, leave a comment below. Hit me up on Instagram, you know what I'm saying? If you need a motivational quote or a day that you're down and you need somebody to raise you up, I got jokes, I got you.
I got an inspirational speech too. You got me?
We're gonna let Gabe Cruz take it out.
Inspirational speech.